Okay, I set up so he can hear me if I call. But, yeah. My laptop's sitting out here. Oops. Well, I know, I'm right near the door. So, from the radar is not very far from me. It's literally almost right here. Oh. No, that's my... Yeah. Alright, that's not... I'm at my laptop. I'm at my grandparents. And... Missy's alright. She's just laying there. Nothing's unusual about her. There go the sirens again. I called Hannah, she didn't answer. I'm gonna head to the basement. I just seen, yeah, head to the basement. I'm gonna have to go here in a second. I just seen it. Or I just seen the funnel cloud. Hold on. I just seen the funnel cloud. It's coming. I see it. It is coming. Take the laptop to the basement. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Well, hold on. Let me get the laptop down to the basement. Because whatever it is, it looks nasty and it's coming this way. Alright, I'm in the basement. I didn't even take the recording off this thing yet.